Hi guys, today we are talking about finding products for Amazon that are a little less risky and you can source them locally. So the platform I'm going to share with you today makes a great alternative for Alibaba. So let's get to today's video. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. We talk about building a product-based business on Amazon, performance advertising, and I share my experience as an Amazon seller so you guys can build your business based on real insights from real sellers. So if you're interested in all things Amazon, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out when I post a new video. So we've talked about validating product ideas and doing Amazon research, but sometimes we just get stuck on what to actually sell. It can get overwhelming. So the platform I'm sharing with you today is called Faire.com. Okay, and basically this is a wholesale marketplace and it provides an avenue to brands to wholesale their products. Okay, and these are all local brands. So by local I mean like if you're based in the UK and US or Europe, like they have brands from all these different countries and you will be able to source products from these brands, and a lot of these brands offer private label too, so it makes easier for you to find creative and different ideas closer to home instead of importing them from China. As I said, I think this makes a great alternative for Alibaba when you're looking to source products, you know, which might be test products, or you are just looking to source some seasonal products for Christmas. This makes sourcing a little bit easier. And you know, in a couple of seconds I'm going to take you to my screen and I will share what I found there, some of the products, so that you can be inspired as well. But I think it just makes it that little bit easier to actually try a product and actually experience selling on Amazon. So make sure you guys watch this video till the end and explore all the product ideas I'm sharing with you. Watch this video to actually validate the product idea, and also another video that I made last week about how to research a product on Amazon. Okay, and so it will help you do the work that you need to do to actually, you know, make some progress. So without further ado, let's go to my screen and let's take a look at Faire.com. So guys, this is Faire.com, and I think this is a pretty special website for local sourcing. If you wanted to find some unique products and didn't want to source from abroad, or you don't have the budget for it, for a smaller budget you can source from this website. So straight off the bat you can see their main menu. They have a holiday shop because obviously Christmas is coming up, so that is featured, and you can just browse and see what fancies or takes your attention. So there is so this is the main menu, all right, and then you have, because based on my browsing history they're showing me a couple of different categories I've been looking deep into. So I found some interesting bath bomb brands, DIY, and some you know, some craft ones and candles. So I've already got those tabs open, but just wanted to show you what this looks like and how to use this. You will be able to source some fashion product from here too, but it really depends on what you're looking for. So this is basically their homepage, and I want to now take you to some of the sellers that I've found, and then how to talk and communicate with them and what to look for. So some of the products that I found basically were, I wanted to make sure that I explore the sellers that are based in the UK, because I didn't want to deal with import duties and things like that. So as you can see, these are brands and they are offering their wholesale prices. So you can see like this brand called Ancient Wisdom, their minimum order is £100. This soap brand, the Soap Story, their minimum is about £158. So a lot of them are listed as brands themselves. If you look at this, fashion bags, their minimum is low, £80. So you can just, right click and open the sellers that interest you into a new tab. But always remember, like when you're going through this, is keep your mind open. If you wanted to sell or source a private label product from here, you'll have to ask the sellers that if they do a private label, if they would be willing to do a private label collection for you from the products that you you source from here. Some might be open to it, some might not be open to it. It's how you negotiate with them. So some of the products that I found quite interesting here were, well, actually, let's just quickly go through the speech accessories. So their products are here, and you can see they've got some fashion products, some bags. It's a £15 wholesale price here. So you can have a closer look and go through their colorways, and basically they've got a couple of colors available here. Case of 1, 2, 3. So it's just saying, like, if you buy, like, let's say custom quantity, you buy 9 pieces, it'll be £135. Order with them, their minimum order is £80. And this brand is not on Amazon. You can see their other listings here, 2 different ones. But yeah, like, you can actually see the reviews as well, purchase products. Just not like Amazon, but buyers who are buying from them, they're leaving reviews as well. So that's they've got 96 feedbacks, 4.9 star reviews. And so this is just one seller. What you have to do is, let's go back to their main seller page, and you can message the seller. Okay, you can follow them and message the seller and start talking to them. The account, the sign up to Faire is pretty simple. It's you have to be a business to sign up here. So you just create an account and sign up, and then you would be able to place an order here. You can also, like, if you wanted to look for maybe different kinds of product, you can go through all of their, shop, all their categories, what they do. Like, let's see what they have in footwear. So they've got like different kinds of slippers, interesting ones, which might be, pretty good for, the season coming up. It's going to be cold, so some of these might do well. So interesting. I'm going to save the seller and just like follow them, so they'll be saved in my account. Similarly, I found a couple of other sellers too, which products were interesting. So you can get a case of 4 of this heatless curling set for £7.38. And obviously you don't have to go by their RRP. You have to go on Amazon and see like what that particular product is going through for. So this is just another seller. Their minimum is £122.98. So similarly, there is a stationery brand here. If you wanted to just use them as they are, that would be an option as well, because a lot of the times, if you can see these tags, not on Amazon, eco-friendly, handmade, gives back, women owned, the brand sort of like these wholesalers are listed as brands. So you can just use their product as it is and sell it on as a brand, and it'll just be reselling. Or you can ask them, like, would they be interested in private labeling for your brand? And I have actually contacted a couple of sellers, and a lot of them are willing to do private label for you. So it's just a matter of contacting. But look, this is an Ireland-based brand, and they have like candles and, you know, car and room freshener, about £2 wholesale price. So all the prices that you'll see are wholesale. And then yeah, this is like some candle brand, Mischief Candles, and they're actually branded pretty well themselves. You can ask them like if they would be interested in doing a private label for you, but they're like candle, they will make like amazing gifts. They'll make like good novelty gifts, which is again coming up for the season. You can try these on a small budget. And again, I'll save this as well. Just go to your saved products and it'll show you. Another one that I found just on this website, you can see this seller or brand company name, and it was like a felt craft kit for £7.70, and the retail price they're asking is about £18.50. If you look at their packaging, this is pretty easy to private label. It's just a matter of asking them if they'll be interested. Again, a lot of different product options in here. I mean, this is like, so the bath bombs, and like, look at this, a box of 3 for 42p, case of 20. A donut banana bath bomb for £1.36, case of 16. So I guess when you would buy, it would be, you'd have to buy 16 of them, or 21.76. Okay, ships from United Kingdom. Now you can ask for a private label on this, and you can package it in a way where you're selling maybe set of 4 or set of 2, and decide your own pricing, like how you will bundle this and sell it. But I think it's like a pretty good price for a case of 16. It's all right, and you're not investing too much money to try a product, and they like, you can actually order testers as well. This listing doesn't say it, but I did find some listings that were open to testers. So this is similarly like a shower steamer, anti-anxiety, very good price, 80p. A case of 16 will cost you £12.80. You've got to remember, because you're local sourcing, you'd be paying a little bit higher, but the product you will actually, because they're hand poured and made in UK, the product would be better quality, and will actually, like, especially things like bath bombs and candles and things like that, you actually have to smell them and use them to see that do they actually stand up to their their claim or not. So this seller, I thought that was quite interesting, Soul Energy, based in England, and their lead times are quite high, but for a bulk order, maybe they'll work faster. It's a matter of contacting. This is just a discovery platform. Okay, so you've got to find your products in here and look how different the products are. So they've got like these Barbie bath bombs, very trending product, like quite creative product that you won't be able to find on Alibaba. Basically, this kind of creative product, like, you'll have to provide designs and things like that. So a lot of different, like, a lot of creative product is available here. So that's like the
and I think the prices are pretty decent as well. They're not too high. And then I mean, same, this is wax melts, so pretty product. A set of 10 would be for £2. But anyway, there's like so many different sellers, and there's home decor, there's beauty and wellness, paper and novelty, pets. If you just look at the holiday shop here, you can actually browse by the kind of products you want to look for. For example, we go looking for gifts for her, okay, and then use filters on the side. You can actually select location. That I only want to see brands based in United Kingdom, okay, and made in United Kingdom. Similarly, no minimums. You can find brands that are not asking for minimum order quantity. So there's like a couple of ways you can go about this, but some pretty good products and brands can be found from Faire.com too. Once you find the product, what you need to do is go to Amazon and then do your product research. So I looked up the shower steamer product here. Again, you will do the same thing. It will be great for gifting season. You use Jungle Scout and you do your research here. So I did a full video on last week, so make sure it was for product research. You guys go to my channel and you can find the latest video, and this is the product research video that details it's a half-an-hour video detailing how to actually validate and find the product data and stuff like that. And I had another local sourcing product that was very, very good, and it was is one of the most popular videos on my channel, so go ahead and watch that too. That's also regarding local sourcing, so make sure you guys watch this. And Faire.com, it's just an addition to this. You can find a lot of niche brands and handmade product, and you can actually ask the sellers to private label it for you too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and you find some good products for yourself.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I found these products quite creative and interesting, and these are the kind of products that you wouldn't find on Alibaba, because they are on Alibaba you usually find products that are for mass market and not such niche designs and combinations. So I thought that was quite interesting. Anyway, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think, and did you like any product idea, and let's have a discussion. If you have any questions, make sure to email me at hello@farahfinds.com. But that's all from me today. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.